Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this springtime makeup look for you guys. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and I'm obsessed. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss an upload. First, I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face and priming using the Smashbox Primer Water. And I'm going to be using my all-time favorite foundation combination mixed with the new KEVYN NEO-ELIXIR drops. These are amazing, amazing. I love this combination. It makes my skin look so flawless. It's dewy, yet matte, stays in place, doesn't settle into my fine lines and wrinkles, gives good coverage. It's just really an all-around great combination. If you guys are looking for shades, I will list them all down in the description box for you guys. Next, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Concealer, and I am just going to spot conceal this one nasty pimple I have. Now for under eye concealer, I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, an oldie but a goodie in NC42 underneath my eyes, just to cover those nasty bags I have. I'm also going to be using this to prime my eyes for eyeshadow. So much better. And I'm going to use that as well down my T-zone to highlight. Now for contour, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just going to use that to cream contour. I'm going to take the stippling brush and just buff everything out. Now, this line on my chin is going to look a little intense, but we buffed it out and made it look a little more natural. Don't worry. I love this concealer for contouring. It just looks so natural, doesn't give you any harsh lines, and my arm is cramping, but we're moving on. And it just looks so flawless, blended out into the skin, and it blends out seamlessly. It really doesn't dry quickly. Like, I used to love the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, but I felt like that dried really fast and was kind of hard to work with if you weren't familiar with it. Still a great palette, but if you're a beginner to cream contour or just contouring in general, definitely try this concealer, and it's like $2.99, you can't go wrong. Now I'm going to be setting my eyes and my under eyes using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is the best setting powder. You will not get flashback. No flashback Mary in sight when you use this powder, and it is just the best. Like, it's the best powder I've ever used. That's why I keep using it. Now on to the star of the show, the Soft Glam palette. I mean, look at these shades. Perfect for every day. Soft and glam. I think that's what they were going for. I'm going to start off by using Burnt Orange all over my crease and then go on top using Sienna. Now, Sienna has been in a couple of their palettes before, and this was the first time that it was like super pigmented, and I did get a lot of fallout, which was surprising to me, so just be aware of that if you are thinking about purchasing this palette. But it didn't really bother me that much. Now going over all the crease shades with Orange Soda just to make sure we have no harsh lines, and I'm going to carve out my eye using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It has a nice doe foot applicator, so it allows me to really get in there and carve out my eye. And I'm going to further carve it out using a flat top MAC brush. As you can see, it's nice and crisp. I'm going to cut that crease. Cut it. Now I'm going to set my eye using Orange Soda, one of my all-time favorite shades from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm going to take the Rustic shade and I'm going to place that in a V formation in the outer corner of my eye. This is going to bring some darkness to the outer corner and give me a nice cat eye effect. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush once I have my desired pigment and just buff everything out. We want to make sure there are no harsh lines. Now for the star of the show, I am going to go in with Sultry and just pack that all over my lid. This is such a beautiful purpley pink tone shade, and I really, really liked how this looked on the eye. I buffed Sienna on the lower lash line and used that Laura Mercier powder just to carve out the outer corner and make it nice and sharp. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible face powder, and I'm just going to set my entire face, making sure everything is nice and locked in for the day. I also like to use this to brush away the baking underneath my eye. It makes for a nice flawless under eye. Now going in with this Collab brown kohl pencil, I'm just going to line my upper and lower lash line. Now going in with the Benefit BADGAL Volumizing Mascara. This is the mini size. I highly recommend you get the full size and don't be cheap like me, because the mini size is a lot messier. But look at my lashes, guys. Highly recommend this mascara. I'm obsessed. It's beautiful, but it's a lot messier with the smaller one I found. Now going in with my Ride or Die bronzer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Now for lips, I'm going to be using MAC Spice Lip Liner. This is nothing new. This is my all-time favorite lip liner. And I'm just going to be fully filling in my lips with this color. I always overline my upper lip a little bit. I just like how it looks. I think it makes my lips look fuller, poutier. I just really like overlining my upper lip. Feel free to not do that if you don't want to. And now on top, I'm going to be using the new BUXOM Power Plump Tinted Lip Balm. I'm obsessed. This is like tingly and amazing, just like the lip gloss. Now I am going in with the GERARD Cosmetics Starlet Palette in Moonlight. Beautiful blush. And for the other star of the show, the Anastasia Beverly Hills AMREZY highlighter. I mean, can we just take a second? Can we have a moment of silence for this highlighter? I mean, girl. And I'm just going to place this on the high points of my face, my cupid's bow, down my nose, highlight the brows, highlight my forehead, highlight my whole entire life with this stuff. I really like this highlighter because you can use it for a natural glow or you can really glam it up. And to set everything, I am going to be using the GERARD Cosmetics Setting Spray. And we are finished. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell buttons for new videos every single week. And so you guys can keep up with me between videos, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I love interacting with you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.